Welcome to the short video on how to use MyLab Math and many of its beneficial tools to improve your learning in this course. This particular course is called Math and its Applications. As you can see on the top left side, the Oakland City University logo is there in place, identifying this as an OCU course. You will also have a calendar view on your homepage that identifies any announcements or homework project due dates. This, in conjunction with your Moodle course, will help keep you informed as to when items are due and when you should be completing those. What I really want to focus on right now, though, are the tools that are beneficial for you on the left-hand side of your screen. You can, among other things, view a list of assignments under this Assignment tab, a potential study plan under the Study Plan tab. The study plans themselves are related currently to your success on the first chapter post-test that you complete. As I will say in another video, when you complete the chapter post-test, if you fail to score a minimum mastery score of 70%, you will be allowed to perform a second attempt on that post-test, only after completing a study plan. You can access these study plans here. As you can see, here is a list of items that you can practice and then perform a very short quiz to make sure that you're learning the content. So the study plans are available here. You have a tab also for your grade book where you can keep track of assignments and tasks that you have either begun or completed and your overall scores and results. To access the e-text, simply click on that link and then this additional link in the window. That will pull up your ebook so that you can access the book itself and be able to read it. Sometimes this takes a little bit to load. E-textbooks can be a bit slow to load due to all the pictures and graphics. Here you can see the textbook is available and you can click through the pages and read what you need to read. Not only that, but significantly, this multimedia library offers a ton of resources and videos to help you with this course. Let's pick one. So if we go to the first unit, which is on geometry, and it involves chapter 10, all sections. If we take a look at just the chapter test prep videos and the lesson videos, what you will see is a very large list of videos that you can use to work your way through the content. These checkpoint videos are videos where an instructor works through each of the checkpoint problems in this chapter as noted by this number. So this means in chapter 10, section 1, checkpoint problem number 1. This particular video, then I can click on this and it will show me how to perform the work required in that video right here. Besides those, we also have generic videos about different objectives, an interactive concept check, and then encompassing chapter 10 test prep video. You may wish to watch this before you even complete the pre-test. It's up to you. However, that video is available to you as well. So many video resources are available to you to help you through this course. There is also a tab for Skills on Success that provides you with additional information on how to help navigate an online course. And then other more accessible resources. So I hope this helps you to identify things that you can do to make it more beneficial and successful in the course